Adding Klarna to Google Pay allows you to enjoy seamless transactions at participating merchants. Here's how to do it. Download the Klarna app. Start by downloading the Klarna app from the Google Play Store. If you don't have an account, create one. Link your payment method. Open the Klarna app and go to the account section. Here, you can add a bank account or credit or debit card that you wish to use for payments. Open Google Pay. Next, download and open the Google Pay app if you haven't already. Sign in with your Google account. Add Klarna as a payment method. In Google Pay, navigate to the payment section. Select Add Payment Method and choose the option to add a credit or debit card. Enter Klarna card details. Input the details of your Klarna virtual card or select Klarna from the list of available payment options. Verify the setup. Google Pay may require you to verify the card through a code sent via SMS or email. Start using Klarna with Google Pay. Once added, you can now use Klarna to make payments through Google Pay at participating retailers.